Hello, good day. My name is Gino Bukat from 2 India. For today's video, we are going to tackle how to get the fingerprint classification formula. We have six divisions. First is primary, secondary, sub-secondary, major, final, and key divisions. So first is I will explain and discuss on how to get the primary division. Without further ado, let's start. Classification formula. Henry Galton is adopted by almost English-speaking countries. The Philippines is also using this system. Primary division. The primary division of the sum of the numeric values assigned to even numbers of fingerprint chart represent the numerator and the sum of the assigned values to odd numbers represent the denominator plus the pre-established fraction of 1/1. It applies to word patterns only. So I have 5 things to remember to get the primary division. So the first is memorize the pairing of the fingers and their value. So I will discuss on how to get the pair of on how to pairing your fingers and their value. So first is on how to get the finger is like this. So first pair is the thumb and the index finger. First pair have a value of 16. The second pair is the middle finger and the ring finger have a value of 8. Third pair is the little finger and the thumb have a value of 4. So fourth finger is the index finger and the middle finger have a value of 2. Last pair is the ring finger and the little finger have a value of 1. So next is we are now going to classify their values. Number 2 is things to remember is the have a value is only word pattern have a value. So this is my example. Number 2 is only word pattern have a value. So what are the word pattern? So this plain word, central loop word, double loop word, and accidental word. So ngayon, ika-classify na natin kung saan ba yung numerator and denominator natin. So sa baba, ito yung denominator, and sa taas naman is numerator. Our denominator is the odd numbers. And sa taas naman is numerator. So paano nga ba natin kunin ito? So remember na word pattern lang ang may value dito. So sa number 1, central pocket loop word, may value siya. So ang value niya is 16. Ilalagay natin sa baba. We will put this here. Number 2 is numerator. Numerator radial loop. So wala siyang value. Ilalagay natin dyan 0. Next is the tented art. So tented art is wala siyang value. So ilalagay natin sa denominator is 0. So 4 is arc accidental whirl. So, accidental whirl is may value siya. So, ang kanyang value is 8. So, ilalagay natin dito 8. Tapos, number 5, ulnar loop is wala siyang value. So, ilalagay natin sa denominator is 0. Number 6 is ulnar loop. So, wala din siyang value. So, 0. Then, radial loop is wala din siyang value. So, 0 ulit. Number 8. Number 8 is plane whirl. So, may value na siya. So, ang value niya is 2. Then, the plane arc, wala siyang value. So, 0. Then, ulnar loop, wala din siyang value. 0 ulit. So, then, after that, kung tapos na natin siyang makuha, i-plus na, we have addition na natin. Plus na, pagplaplasin na natin lahat kung ilan. Then, sa numerator, ang nakuha niya is 8, 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. The total of 10. 10 sa numerator. Then, sa denominator na is 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 16. So, 16 will be the denominator. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Don't forget to put the pre-established fraction na 1 is over to 1. So, i-addition na natin siya, i-plus natin. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. So the total of the primary division that we can get is 11 over 17. Yan na yung sagot sa primary division. 11 over 17 na yung final answer niya. So, our next division is the secondary division. So, secondary division obtained by writing capital letter symbol taken from index finger. So, sinasabi dito na index finger lang yung capital letter na ilalagay natin dito. Index finger, remember. And small letters, thumb, middle, ring, and little finger. Sila is small letter na. But remember, the index is capital letter. So, the secondary division is by capital letters, all patterns appearing at the index finger with the right one as numerator and left one is the denominator. Next is the symbol. So what is the symbol of plane arc? The plane arc is the symbol of letter A. Tented arc is symbol letter T. Radial loop is R. Ulnar loop is U. Plane whirl is W. Central pocket loop is C. And double loop whirl is D. Accidental whirl is letter X. So, another is small letters only, radial loop, plane arc, and tented arc patterns are included. So, dito na yung sinasabi na nating rat. Dito na sa secondary division. Remember yung rat natin is yung radial loop R, plane arc A, and tented arc T. Yung radial, loop, plain arc, and tented arc, yun lang yung kukunin natin para makuha natin yung secondary division. So, kukunin na natin yung index finger natin. So, our index finger is radial loop. So, the symbol of the radial loop is R, our numerator. And our denominator is radial loop again. So, letter R, big letter R. Dapat magkatapat si denominator at si numerator. Yan. Nakuha na natin si index finger natin. So, next is the central plain loop word. So, kasali ba siya sa rat? So, hindi. So, space siya. Next, tented arc. Tented arc, yan, meron na siya. So, ilalagay natin small letter T. Kasi, the sign of tented arc is letter T. So, small letter na siya. Next, is accidental word is wala siya. Hindi siya kasali sa rat. So, space. Ulnar loop, hindi rin kasali. So, space. So, ulnar loop again, wala. So, hindi siya kasali sa rat. So, hindi natin siya ilalagay dito. Next is plain word, wala siya. Hindi siya kasali. So, space again. Sa plain arc na tayo. So, kasali na siya sa rat. So, the sign of plain arc is letter A. So, we will put letter A, small letter. Ulnar loop. So, hindi siya kasali. So, this will be now the result of the secondary division. This is now the final answer. So, next division is the subsecondary division. Subsecondary division done by ridge counting of loops and ridge tracing of words appearing in the index, middle, and the ring finger of both right and left hand. So, we focus now on our finger in index, middle, and the ring. So, magpo-focus na tayo dito. So, in IMO system, an eye or inner, the three or more intervening ridge inside or in front of the ridge delta. Sa letter M or the meeting, two or more or less intervening ridges, whether inside, in front of, outside, below the right delta. So, O naman tayo is the outer. Outer is 3 or more intervening ridge below or outside of the ridge delta. Sa loops natin, sa subsecondary division, sa tatlo is sa index finger natin, sa inner is 1 to 9. Sa outer niya is 10 or more. Sa middle finger natin is, ang inner niya is 1 to 10. Ang outer niya is 11 or more. Sa ring finger natin is 1 to 13 and 14 or more sa outer niya. Para mas madali nating maintindihan is yung inner natin is yun yung kabisaduhin natin. So, ang inner ng index natin is 1 to 9. Sa middle natin is 1 to 10. So, sa ring finger is 1 to 13. So, pag alala mo na yun, automatic na sa index mo, for example, 1 to 9, automatic na maintindihan mo yung outer is 10 or more. Yun na. So, kukunin na natin yung sub-secondary division. So, sa index finger na tayo. Ang index finger is, ang value niya is 9. So, yung index niya is the value of 9. So, ang kanyang value is inner. Inner kasi 1 to 9. Sa tented arc is wala siyang value. So, we will put the dash here. So, sa middle yon. So, sa ring finger na natin is have a 5 ridge below. Oh, sabi niya may below na siya. Pag below siya, so ilalagay na natin dito is outer. Yan, outer na siya. So sa index na natin, sa left finger is wala siyang value. So we will put dash. Sa middle natin is 2 ridge. So ito na yung sinasabi nating na sa IMO system na 2 or less intervening ridge, whether inside, in front, or outside below the right delta. So ito na yon. So automatic na siya ay meeting. So meeting na siya. Then sa ring finger natin is wala siyang value. So we will put the dash. So ito na yung final result natin ng sub-secondary. So ito na yung final answer niya. I dash 0 is over to dash M or meeting dash. So ito na yung final answer niya. So now dito na tayo sa major division. So pag sinabing major is similar to sub-secondary division, through it applies to thumb only and ridge counting has been modified. So pag sinabi na nating major, major is mag-focus na tayo sa ating thumb. Just focus on our major thumb. So, paano nga ba natin siya kukunin? So, in major division is in table A, so meron siyang small, medium, and large. Table B, ganun din. So, meron siyang small, medium, large. Kapag naman sa small is 1 to 11. Sa medium, 17 to 16. So, sa large is 17 or more. Kapag naman 17 or more na yung ridge natin is gagamitin na natin yung table B kasi siya ay sa small is 1 to 17. Sa medium is 18 to 22. Sa large is 23 or more. Kasi, para mas madali nating maintindihan is pag sa table A is sa medium 12 to 16. So, yung small niya na automatic is 1 to 11. And sa large niya is 17 or more. Sa table B naman, yung medium niya is 18 to 22. So, madali na nating maiisip yung small niya is 1 to 17. and 23 or more naman siya sa large. So paano natin kukunin yung major division? So, sa major division is mag-focus na tayo sa thumb natin. So, yung thumb is 2 ridges above yung dalawa lang, 2 ridges, sabi niya, 2. So, sa table A siya, so small, kasi 1 to 11, kasi 2 lang siya. So, sa left thumb is 9 ridge, so 9, ganun din, hindi siya sumobra. So, sa small siya, sa table A, so, small kasi 1 to 11 hindi siya sumobra. So this will be the answer of major division. Ito na yung final answer niya. Small and small. Major division. Final answer. So now we are now get the final division. So when we say final division, by the ridge counting of loops and whorls from 2 little fingers in this division. So, dito na tayo naman mag-focus sa little finger natin kung paano siya kukunin. So, sa right natin is 14. Meron siyang 14 ridge. So, the numerator is 14. And the denominator is 16. 16 ridge. So, 16, 14 over 16. Pag sinabing final na kasi is focus on our little finger. So, this will be the final answer on how to get the final division. The final division is 14 is over to 16. This will be the final answer. Dagdag ko lang, if sa right little finger natin is, ang value niya is 14, we put 14. If, kapag naman yung left natin is, pag sinabi natin, kunwari, wala siyang value, so ang ilalagay na lang natin is dash. So, ganyan po. Ganyan po ang, another example niya, kung wala siyang value sa isang little finger natin. So lastly, the K division. K division is derived from getting the ridge count of the first loop formation appearing in the 10 finger except the 2 little fingers in case of absence of a loop. The first word will be ridge count following the rules of the ridge counting, a whirl under final division. So, si K division ang pinaka-unique sa lahat. Kasi, ang kukunin lang natin is the numerator. Siya yung pinaka-unique kasi wala siyang denominator. Hindi na natin kukunin yung denominator niya. So, ang kukunin lang natin sa K division is the radial loop. The first radial loop, ang kukunin natin, kunwari, may radial loop dito, may radial loop doon. So, ang kukunin lang natin is yung pinaka-first. So, the first radial loop is have a value of 9. So, ilalagay natin sa numerator niya is 9. Yan lang yung answer niya sa K division. Wala siyang denominator. So, this will be the final answer of the K division. 9 is over. Wala siyang denominator. So, ito na yung nabuo nating answer from the primary to the key. Ayan. Nabuo na natin yung kumapasasafa. So, sa primary is nakuha natin sa 11 over 17. Sa secondary is R plus and RT and over RA. Sa subsecondary is I dash O dash M is dash M. So sa major natin, ang nakuha natin is S over S or small. So sa final naman is yung nakuha natin sa final division is 14 is over to 16. Then sa K division is ang nakuha natin is 9. So this will be now the classification line. Yan. The classification line kasi nabuo na natin yung kumapasasafa.